Here he comes like the dawn's embrace, springing forth across the mountain's face, leaping high through the morning mist. His spirit glows too bright to miss. By the wall he gazes through the glass, peering through the lattices as the moments pass. With eyes like stars he whispers my name. In this adventure nothing's the same. Arise, my beloved, my love and my light. Come dance in the shadow, come shine in the night. Your voice is sweet music, a lullaby's dream. In the depths of my heart you reign supreme. For love is strong with flames that ignite, and deep devotion will soar into the night. Like the sun and the moon, our hearts aligned. In all things together, our souls intertwined. Arise, my beloved, my love and my light. Come dance in the shadows, come shine in the light. Your voice is sweet music, a lullaby's dream. In the depths of my heart you reign supreme. Set me as a seed upon your heart. Nothing in this world can keep us apart. Arise, my beloved, my love and my light. Come dance in the shadows, come shine in the night. Your voice is sweet music, a lullaby's dream. In the depths of my heart you reign supreme. Arise, my beloved, my love and my light. Come dance in the shadows, come shine in the